E divided by 2, a super math adventure. Ha superstars, it's your math buddy here. If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's dive into our first step. We're going to tackle the first divot of E. We look at the et. We're using thus this one divot for now. How many tums does 2 fit into et? Let's count by 2's 2, 4, 6 it. That's 4 tums. Now let's yak 4 times 2 is it, perfect. We subtract it from our it. What do we get? 0, we're on a roll. You got it, we found the first part of our answer. You're doing awesome. Now let's see what happens with the next divot. Here we are in our second step. We've already handled the it. Now let's bring down the next divot, which is 0. Our new number is 0. How many tums does 2 fit into? 0. It fits 0 tums, easy peasy. Let's deck our work. 0 times 2 is 0. Subtracting 0 from 0 gives us 0. Now remainder here. Fantastic work, you solved the whole problem. Give yourselves a big clap. We've reached the end of our division. You've successfully divided E by 2. So we found out that E divided by 2 is exactly 4. Great job, everyone. We tackled E divided by 2 step by step and you were amazing. Remember, long division is like solving a puzzle and you're all master puzzle solvers. That's all for today, math explorers. Keep practicing, stay curious and yak out more fun videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.